Whether you're grilling in the backyard, cooking at the campsite, or mastering outdoor meals like a pro, having the right kitchen EDC gear can completely change the experience. In this video, we're counting down professional-grade tools every outdoor chef and backyard griller should have on hand, from reliable fire starters and heavy-duty grill kits to precision gear like the digital instant read meat thermometer and the rugged TACRAY folding kitchen chef knife. These practical tools are designed to make outdoor cooking faster, easier, cleaner, and a whole lot more enjoyable for beginners and seasoned grill masters alike. Number 1. Stop struggling to light fires, ignite instantly every time. Meet the E500 Fire Starter. Reliable, natural, extra-large cubes. Perfect for campers, grill masters, and homeowners with fireplaces. Picture a rain-soaked campsite firelights with a single match. Backyard barbecues. Start charcoal quickly. Preserve food's natural flavor. Cozy evenings by the fireplace. Ignite logs without frustration. Extra large. 1-inch cubes deliver stronger, longer-lasting flames every time. Each cube burns 8 to 10 uninterrupted minutes. Enough burn time to light wood, charcoal, or briquettes. Natural wood and plant-based wax, smokeless and odor-free performance. Food-safe formula won't alter flavors for grills or pizza ovens. Lights with one match, even in wind or rain. Reliable ignition on damp wood or challenging outdoor conditions. Compact 3-2. Cube Pack gives you a dependable supply anywhere. Portable and organized, ideal for camping, hiking, backyard fire pits. No chemical odor, no messy liquid starters, easy storage. Quick start saves time. Spend more moments enjoying the fire. Consistency means fewer failed attempts and less frustration outdoors. Great for charcoal starters, grills, fire pits, and fireplaces. Safer than flammable liquids, controlled, steady flame every use. Engineered size and wax formulation optimize ignition and burn time. Real users report faster setups and longer cozy gatherings. Perfect backup for seasoned campers and first-time fire builders. Keep a pack in your car, shed, or backpack. Simple to use. Place cube, light corner, feed kindling. No special tools required. One match starts dependable combustion. Upgrade your outdoor cooking and fire experiences instantly. E500 Fire Starter makes every fire start effortless and reliable. Choose natural, long-burning cubes for consistent, tasty barbecues. Grab a 3-2, cube pack today, light faster, enjoy longer. Number 2. Meet Gabukian Grill Caddy. 6 compartments, paper towel holder included. 3 sturdy hooks hang tools like loyal camping minions. Holds spices, condiments, plates, cutlery, napkins, cups, grill tools. Powder-coated steel frame resists rust. Built for harsh climates. Sturdy enough to bear heavy use without wobbling or complaint. Assembly is quick. Comes with accessories and clear instructions. Smooth wooden handle makes one-handed carrying effortless and confident. Saves trips between grill and campsite time is reclaimed. Versatile. Camping tables, tailgates, decks, RV kitchens, outdoor cooking. Think Swiss Army knife, but for your picnic and barbecue. Compact footprint stores everything without hogging precious campsite real estate. Perfect gift for campers, barbecue lovers, RV owners who organize. Comes with 1-year warranty plus lifetime customer support for peace. Durable, portable, all-in-one, your outdoor setup suddenly smarter. Grab Gabukian Grill Caddy and upgrade every picnic, campout, barbecue. Number 3. Choosing a grill set. Compare cheap kits to pro gear. Most budget kits lack essential tools and precision instruments. Flimsy utensils bend, rust, and fail on hot grills. Loose pieces, no case chaos for transport and storage. Kaluns 3.5 piece set replaces guesswork with complete professional kit. Includes spatula, tongs, thermometer, injector, claws, mats, and more. Meat thermometer and injector deliver consistent, restaurant-quality results. Heavy-duty stainless steel resists heat, bending, and corrosion. Compare cheap spatula bending versus Kaluns solid stainless steel. Messy pile versus Kaluns organized canvas case instant clarity. Perfect for Father's Day or any practical gift recipient. Choose function over novelty full kit saves repeated purchases. Complete, precise, durable, and portable, built for real grilling. Upgrade your grill game. Get the Kaluns 3 5-piece set. Give a gift that's used and appreciated every barbecue. Number 4. Warm firelight. Little hands reaching for gooey marshmallow smiles. Every summer we gathered, telling stories, passing sticks and laughter. But flames felt too close. Kids worried. Smiles turned cautious. Then we found UNCO Extendable roasting sticks, 5 in pack. Stretching up to 32 inches keeps small hands safely distant. 360-degree rotating forks make even, perfectly toasted treats every time. Food-grade stainless steel shafts resist rust, ready for countless nights. Smooth wooden handles plus color-coded collars for grip, identification. Blunt two-prong tips prevent pokes, keeping kids safe and smiling. Reusable design means zero waste. Washes clean with mild soap. Collapsible 12-inch folded length fits backpacks, ready for adventures. Perfect for marshmallows, hot dogs, veggies, family-friendly outdoor meals anytime. More than tools, moments of togetherness, laughter, sticky chocolate kisses. Bring home 5 UNCO sticks. Make memories around every flame. Share stories. Roast slowly. Treasure warmth. Grab yours today. Number 5. Imagine a portable chef kit. 35 griddle tools inside. Flip 10 burgers at once with the enlarged spatula. Scrape stubborn grease. Clean with the slant edge scraper. Press perfectly juicy burgers using the sturdy griddle. Press season on the fly. 2 spice shakers and squeeze bottles. Flip delicate pancakes or eggs with the long slotted spatula. Chop, dice, and transfer with the heavy-duty chopper and flipper. High-grade stainless steel resists rust, heat, bending, and, where dishwasher safe or hand wash pack tools neatly in storage bag. 10 hooks keep everything organized on any outdoor setup. Chef's choice design. Flip large batches quickly and precisely. 2 basting covers and squeeze bottles for flavor control. Great gift presentation. Elegant gift box delights grilling enthusiasts. Perfect for backyard cooks, campers, and weekend grill masters. Upgrade your griddle game. Grab the 3 5-piece kit now. Number 6. Ever tried slicing a tomato with a butter knife? Tragic. Camping dinner devolves into drama because your knife is sad. I don't need a Swiss Army, I need precision. Meet TACRAY Folding Chef Knife. My secret camping chef weapon. 10 Car 15 MOV razor blade slices like unfair kitchen science. HRC 58 hardness. Corrosion-resistant edge that survives long meals. Curved G10 handle keeps fingers away. Grip like Velcro. Hole for lanyard, hang it, clip it, never lose. Patented button lock. Opens smooth, closes only when safe. Want one-hand flare? Push button. Flick wrist, mic drop cut, kitchen or campsite, tomatoes, meat, lemons, survival sandwiches, compact fold, pocket clip, 4.4 inch blade when unleashed, lightweight but tough, corrosion resistant, ready for every adventure. TACRAY support has your back questions answered fast. Stop using sad knives. Get TACRAY. Slice life dramatically. Number 7. Imagine your grill clean without worrying about metal bristles. Meet the bristle-free grill brush and scraper safety patented. No wire bristles, no melted nylon, truly bristle-free cleaning. Savor barbecues without fearing hidden metal in your food. Patented triple helix head reaches sides and stubborn grate corners. 125% more flexible helix for deeper edge-to-edge cleaning. Wide 6-inch scraper powers through burned-on grease effortlessly. Scrape tougher areas faster, save time, save effort. Triple braided stainless wires deliver durability without loose bristles. 120% more rigid triple helix resists bending and snapping. Ergonomic heat-resistant handle keeps hands safe from hot grates. Comfort grip, hanging loop for storage, and quick access. Works on gas, charcoal, smokers, porcelain, and infrared grills. Perfect for Weber, Foreman, restaurant racks, and serious backyarders. Heavy-duty stainless steel construction fights rust and heavy grease. Multi-coil head covers wide 3. 8-inch working area efficiently. Not just front-facing clean sides, between bars, tight spots. Replaceable, built to last, lifetime money-back guarantee included. Great gift idea for the grill wizard in your life. 2-pack suggestion. Keep one, gift one, share, grilling joy. Quick demo. Preheat grill, scrape, brush, reveal like new grates. Use steady pressure. Let the wide scraper remove heavy buildup. Helix flexibility reaches stubborn carbon on curved and flat bars. Safer than wire brushes, eliminate contamination risk confidently. Commercial strength for caterers, restaurants, and serious weekend grillers. Lightweight, efficient, and surprisingly satisfying to use every time. Buy now for safer, faster grill cleaning all season long. Click Add to Cart Lifetime Guarantee backs your purchase. Join safer grilling movement, protect food, family, and flavor. Brag-worthy grates, zero metal worries, become the neighborhood grill master. Order today. Let every barbecue be safe, quick, and delicious. Grill brush and scraper, safety first innovation for joyful grilling. Number 8, smash perfect burgers with restaurant quality crust every time. Backyard grill, flat top, or cast iron skillet results amaze guests. Heavy-duty pre-seasoned cast iron delivers consistent weight and heat. Oversized 7.08 inch press fully covers 1/3 to 1.2 pound patties. Flat bottom prevents curling, ensuring even sear and edges. Ergonomic wooden handle is heat-resistant, BPA-free, non-slip grip. Includes rectangular 8.3x4 3-inch press for bacon, steaks, paninis. Keeps bacon flat, reduces flare-ups, cooks evenly every time. Concentrated weight sears steaks and thin cuts quickly, locking juices. Seamless cast iron, pre-seasoned surface wipes clean in seconds. Rust-resistant when dried, built for heavy backyard and commercial use. Non-slip base prevents sliding. Maintain control on any griddle. Turn ordinary burgers into crispy, caramelized, gourmet smash masterpieces. Perfect for burger lovers, home cooks, and outdoor grillers. Upgrade your griddle game. Grab the Furs Grill Press today. Number 9. Flimsy grill tools bend, break, and spoil backyard cookouts. Struggling to flip heavy steaks with thin, weak spatulas. Tongs lose grip, meat slips, and sauce brushes melt quickly. Unbalanced handles cause fatigue during long grilling sessions. Disorganized tools, clutter, storage, wasting time before service. Extra thick premium steel blades deliver professional, long-lasting strength. 3-in-1 spatula with serrated edge and bottle opener, locking tongs, secure grip and compactly store between uses. Heat-resistant silicone brush resists melting, shrinking, and discoloration. Ergonomic rubber steel handles offer comfort, control and hanging loops. Dishwasher-safe construction simplifies cleanup after busy outdoor events. Enjoy consistent professional results with tools trusted by chefs. Save time and effort with durable multifunctional grilling utensils. Organize easily with hanging loops and compact locking tongs. Makes an impressive, practical gift for fathers, friends, and chefs. Number 10. Can you nail the perfect steak in 3 seconds? Challenge! Most thermometers take forever and give wrong temps. Meet the Lavatools Javelin today. Ultra-fast, ultra-accurate thermometer. Voted Has-Hone by Business Insider. Featured in top publications. Proprietary Japanese sensor gives 3 to 4 second readouts reliably fast. Lab-calibrated accuracy within ± 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit consistently. Compact foldable probe, big one. 4-inch display. Magnetic storage. IP65 water resistant. And NSF certified for Kitchen Trust. Battery lasts over 4,000 hours, weekend cookout approved. Okay, timer set thermometer in steak. Start the count. 3, 2, 1. Readout appears 3 seconds flat. Compare to old probe. This is precise. That one guesswork. My face says it all, relief and excitement. If you grill, cook, or run a kitchen, get Javelin. Click now to buy perfect temperatures every single time. Those were our top professional-grade kitchen EDC essentials for outdoor chefs and backyard grillers who want to cook smarter and level up their setup. Whether you're flipping burgers with a cast iron press, organizing your station with a grill caddy, or keeping your grill spotless using a bristle-free scraper, every item on this list brings real value to your outdoor cooking routine. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow grill lovers for more EDC gear, outdoor cooking tools, and practical everyday upgrades.